This is a lower that came off of a boat. Customer brought it in. He couldn't get his carburetor to idle. It was so we got it to idle okay. And while it was running, we noticed there wasn't any water coming out of his exhaust. So he just serviced the put a new impeller in it, and the impeller does look new, but it's melted. Silicone does not belong anywhere on this. Silicone. You put a new gasket on it if you need to put a gasket on it. I don't know if y'all can recognize what that's supposed to be, but that goes on there, and then that goes up in the drive. I don't know what that's, yeah, pretty special stuff, but there's silicone on there, silicone on there, silicone on the base, and he siliconed the upper drive onto the gimbal assembly. And we already told him, I said, when you do that, when we take the upper off, it's extra 30 minutes, but this is crazy. That all has to get cleaned up, so that's going to take a while. So, oh yeah, and there's his fluids that came out of it. So this yeah.